Hey, this is Mark Mathis with e-commerce site owners, and if you want to get access to the full course, ClickFunnels for e-commerce, I've just put the final touches on it. You can see it behind me. It's ready to go for you. All you need to do is just click on the link below this video, and you'll get access immediately. Okay? Hope to see you on the inside of the private Facebook group, and if I can help you, just let me know. Thanks. Hey everybody, this is Mark Mathis with eCommerceSiteOwners.com, and today I'm excited to share with you this brand new ClickFunnels Mastery training that I've put together to help you understand how to use ClickFunnels and some of the benefits of it. So as a quick overview, ClickFunnels is a funnel builder. So it builds web pages very easily. It's drag and drop, and the basic focus of it is to build what's called funnels. And so a funnel is a process of web pages that are interconnected in a particular way to optimize revenue and sales, and to hopefully just bring you more money. So a typical funnel might be something like a main product that you sell on Facebook or AdWords, and then you would sell that product, they would purchase it, and they would automatically be taken to what's called a one-time offer. So it's an upsell, similar to how McDonald's does, would you like fries with that? Would you like a drink with that? And so from that one-time offer, you can take them to multiple one-time offers or downsells. So maybe they didn't want to buy the $100 product, but you have a lesser version of that for $50. And so you can take them, if they select no, they don't want that upsell product, you can take them to the next product, which is a downsell, and eventually take them to an order confirmation page where it shows them all the different things that they've purchased in that one transaction. So compare this to a typical website where you have multiple products. You have a lot of different, what we call overhead pages, a lot of different places for people to click around and kind of go at their own pace and what they would like to do at that moment. People need focus, and so if you don't give them focus, then typically your conversion rates are going to be much lower. The beauty with a product like ClickFunnels and sales funnels in general is that it keeps the focus of a person in the exact path that you would like them to go. There's nowhere for them to go, no distractions other than through the funnel. So they either want the product or they don't, and that's the beauty of it. And so ClickFunnels is a website builder. It's drag and drop. It's very, very easy to use. It's the one that we use for all of our businesses, and it's best when you have one or few products, not dozens and dozens of products. And so what we want to do first is I want to take you for an overview of ClickFunnels, just to give you a little background of what's involved and how to get started with that. So to get started, the very first thing that you need to do is set up your free 14-day trial at this link, and it's http://bit.ly/ecom-ClickFunnels, and this is my affiliate link. So when you sign up through my affiliate link, the pricing is exactly the same as you would get on the website itself. However, it just gives me a little kickbacks, for lack of a better word, and that will allow me to be able to give you my free bonuses. So there's a lot of things that I'm going to give you in this course if you sign up through my affiliate link. First of all, you're going to get one-on-one support in our free private Facebook group. So if you have any questions about your funnel when you're setting them up, if you have any questions about your marketing campaigns, if you have questions about design, whatever you have questions with, I'm going to be in that group every single day answering your questions privately, and that's available to you only if you buy through my link that you see above. You're also going to get access to my share funnels, and I'll go through that later in the course, where you'll be able to actually just import my funnels directly into your account and just modify a few different items to get those up and going. So those are worth hundreds and hundreds of dollars, those alone. I'm also going to give you information on my private logo resource, where I go to get all my logos done. It's very inexpensive, under $50. You can actually do it under $30, but I'm going to give you information on that. I'm also going to give you my abandoned cart email sequences, and so you'll see when I send those and exactly what I say in each of those, and this can be shown to increase your sales 5-10% just off those. I'm also going to give you a link to get a domain for 99 cents as well. And then I'm always adding new bonuses into this course. So to get started, just click on this link right here, bit.ly/ecom ClickFunnels, and I'll go to that page. And what you'll see is just a ClickFunnels homepage. And so you want to just pause that, or you can watch it if you'd like. But you can see this is what you'll click on right here. Start the 14-day trial. And as you go through, you can see a lot of different, very interesting videos. You can see testimonials of people who have used this in a wide variety of different industries. And you can see an example right here. What's the difference between a website and a sales funnel? You can add them to the email list, have a video to build value, collect money. You can have an upsell or OTO page, one-time offer. You can send them to a membership site. It's a simple drag and drop web page editor. You can build sales funnels quickly, have one-click upsells, generate leads through integration with email providers, sell your products. You can also do follow-up funnels through email, social media, text messaging, or desktop notifications. And then it gives you a few different examples of different types of funnels. This is a good video to watch as well. And so if you go through here, you can see I like to really look at all these different testimonials, and these are a wide variety of different people who are in different industries. And so you can absolutely do it. But again, ClickFunnels is best when you're just getting started and you're trying to get one or a few different products to start, or you're trying to build a mailing list and a marketing list. It's best for that. When you get into dozens and dozens of products, it's typically better to move over to a platform like Shopify. But in any case, here's a few more frequently asked questions. And then when you're ready, you'll just click on any of these blue buttons, and you'll go in here and you'll fill out your details. So basically, it'll ask for your information, and I'll just fill that out with you. And then we'll say get started. And then when you go to this next page, you'll enter all your billing information. I'm going to do that really quickly. And I'm going to pause this video. Okay, now I've entered in all my information, and I'll click on start my 14-day trial now. And so in here, you can see a lot more information about the different packages. You have this Edison suite right here, which is the basically the Cadillac. It has all your sales funnels. ActionEdX is where you can send automated email campaigns. And text messaging. Backpack allows you to run affiliate programs. And so typically starting out, what you'll just need is just this ClickFunnels, this general one. This really becomes valuable when you have multiple businesses that you need to have more than 5 email addresses, and also more than 5 payment gateways, so for processing orders. So you can have multiple businesses, with multiple company names, and do all those things in this Edison suite. And that's what we always recommend upgrading to when the time is right for you. But starting out, you'll have everything that you need right here in this ClickFunnels $97 a month plan. And then down over here, it shows you different features about each of the different products that they have. So ClickFunnels builds the sales funnels. ActionEdX is smart autoresponders and action funnels. You can read about that. And then Backpack is all about affiliate programs. So let me pause this again and put in my credit card number. Okay, so now I've added in my credit card number there, and I'm going to activate my free trial. And again, nothing will be charged until you're 14 days in. So if you need to cancel or it's just not for you, just send them an email or go into the system in the back end, and you can easily select that and downgrade that account, and you won't be charged anything. So before you start building your funnel, this is a great video to watch. He shows you how to get started creating funnels, types of funnels, editing pages, all that kind of stuff. And then you will be able to get your free t-shirt and funnel building secrets light, and then the free funnels that are actually built in. So for now, I'll just click on this link to, I can create funnels myself. And now we're in the back end. So this is where I'm going to end this video, and I'll go through in the next video and show you exactly how to get around and where everything is on the inside. So hopefully you have already gone through and paused the video and created your ClickFunnels trial account to get your free bonuses. When you create that account, just send me an email to mark@ecommercesiteowners.com with the subject, please send ClickFunnels bonuses, and then the email address that you signed up with for ClickFunnels, so I can know to go in there and check under that email address. So again, this is Mark Mathis with eCommercesiteowners.com. I look forward to helping you in this. You're about to uncover an incredible world that you never knew existed. It's going to allow you to make more profits, more sales, and to build long-term assets that you can use for a very long time. Okay? See you in the next video.